just wanted to go over the futures real quick. I do think we're going to get some type of retracement today to the upside. You see on the 12-minute chart, we've made a double bottom, and the stochastics is actually showing that there is potential for trend divergence here as price came back to test that low, did not go lower over in the stochastics, and the 180 is overextended. So with the earning results today, we may see some upward movement. What really worries me on the Nasdaq is the weekly chart. And if this pattern continues, I think it's cause for concern. We had a gravestone doji here, and this bar so far, and it's the beginning of Wednesday. It could change a lot between now and Friday. But if this bar remains the same, we could see more downward movement on the Nasdaq. And that's pretty much true for all of the indices. And it has somewhat of a head and shoulders format forming if this bar continues, and that's the important part, because that would make this a pivot high. But you can see that we made a high, then we made a low, made another high, made a low, and made a high. Now, if that continues down, this gives us the head and shoulders formation. Is it a perfect head and shoulder formation? Of course not. We don't often get perfection in the market, but just something to watch out for this week. We do have the Fed announcement next week. Could this just be traders exiting their positions before the FOMC rate announcement next week? Sure. But with the pattern over on the weekly, it seems like it may be a little bit more than that. So just something to watch out for if you're trading the Nasdaq.